Kevin, you know where we are today. Glatt A La Carte with Livy Fasten and Yehuda Kugelman. Rabbinim. It's been about a year since we were here, huh? Are you zurück und macht der Vlog, du?
Was ist das?
Die Eulen beit sich. Chaim, was ist mit den Tanksliders?
Das machen Tanksliders auch.
We gotta do the tanksliders again, Baruch Hashem. Rabbinim, how's it doing in here today? But how's that dish for my two friends? It's a full house tonight. But I've been in this place in the heart, this place in the restaurant.
Chaim, Dan Schmeichel melts everyone's heart. Wherever you go, come on in, Chaim.
Let's go. Wow, Kevin, get my cake. Ooh, wow, full house tonight. That's a new. Get my cake. So, schon gestellt. I've been prepared already. Let's come get the Sachen.
This is a delicious item. This is cracked beef tips. Delicious.
Livy, you ready? You guys are ready?
Enjoy.
Perlowitz.
How you doing?
So here we have the tongue sliders, guys.
This is the famous tongue sliders. I've been
Iron your tongue slider.
So these are going to be the Perlowitz tongue sliders, alright, guys?
Perlowitz tongue sliders, Kevin. I think instead of a G, we gotta put a P in there. I've been we have to work on that. Get back here. What's this drink you just put down over here?
This is a pomegranate mojito.
I've been about the hand was. This is a.
This is a pomegranate mojito.
Okay.
We have a fruit basket right here.
Food basket.
We have a pink sangria.
Pink sangria.
This is going to be another fruit basket.
Fruit basket. Fine. All right. Yidl, what do we got here today, Yidl? Get back here. Get back here. Wow. Yidl.
Much promotion of their tongue sliders because last time we sold out. And now too, it's from after.
Yidl, you know what it is. It's the tongue
Look
sliders.
up here. Bring it on. Bring it on. Let me make this Perlowitz. It's this yummy, delicious tongue slider.
Kevin, this is out of the world, Kevin. Out of the world. Get back here. Get back here. Get back here. Whoa. The tongue over here. Next level. You have no idea how much feedback. Till today.
The second portion is ready. Like last time. Time, I have a fun challenge. Whoever guesses how many years I'm in Glatt A La Carte, get something on the house in your honor. Got it?
Okay.
Done?
Good.
Whoever guesses how many years Yidl Goldberg's here in Glatt A La Carte,
First of all, you look like you're 22 years old. So
how much do you give me? What's my age? Okay,
I
let's
would
leave it for the
say
next challenge.
leave it for the challenge.
Time. Time, you have a delicious Korean ribs. Delicious Korean ribs is grilled tiger.
Wow.
Sauce. Peanut butter sauce. Slaw, Asian slaw. Teriyaki sauce. Grilled tiger. Dig in.
Livy, you ready, Livy? Wow, Kevin, the main to do.
So I got the skirt steak right there.
Sheesh.
I got the fried veal chop.
No way, Livy.
With a Monaco steak, alright?
Get back here, Kevin. Get back. Kick of this steak, dude. Woof.
Hello, you can imagine that they're not even busy
Right
here.
here also on the side, I got sauteed. Cooking this for these. This is when you get something else. I can never go wrong with classic fries.
Hey, book it, do. He means business.
Slaw.
Woof.
And some mashed potatoes. Oh, the mashed potatoes cooking? Ketchup.
Ooh, he knows ketchup always comes along with everything.
Wow.
Wat zoekst je? Kijk wat Livy neem doen.
Hello, you come here, you could think that this place is empty. This place is literally jammed.
De kennis was een doodem, maar ja,
Place is jammed,
full house.
but you come here full service.
Neem maar kijk. Achille yes.
What do you give the food out of 1 through 10? 6, 7?
9, 10.
19, there you go.
Where? Strawberry daiquiri. Like, give it to Livy. Give it to Livy.
I'm off sugar.
Oh, it was so nice.
These are not sugar ones, the sugar free.
Livy, when you come to Glatt A La Carte, there's no such thing as sugar free. No, this guy said before, instead of 6, 7, what is it, Livy?
10, 11.
10, 11. The service here, the food, the ambience.
Tongue sliders 3-7.
Tongue sliders 3-7.
$37, but it's gonna be on the house in your honor. So we made it like a half a year ago.
We did that last summer, I think.
We're doing it again. Perlowitz promotion. Mention Perlowitz, you get a free tongue slider.
Kevin, did you hear that? whole summer long. Okay, Kevin.
And join the challenge for a free gift.
Kevin, a big challenge coming up for Glatt A La Carte. But Kevin, throughout the summer, in Galat, couples, groups, come out here, mention Pearls for a free, delicious tongue slider.
I'm Bakusha. Make a reservation. We have to send a lot of people the last few days. Just make a reservation. You can make it online. You can call it in. You can WhatsApp us, and you'll reserve your table.
Kevin, we're gonna put the phone number on the screen. We're gonna put the online reservation. Kevin, order online. Make sure you come down and mention Pearls for free tongue sliders. Edel, 7-Eleven.
And if you order online as well, by over the phone online, and you mention Perlowitz, we'll give you the tongue slider as well.
For home deliveries.
Yeah, and the average delivery in Glatt A La Carte is 21 minutes.
Really?
21 minutes average delivery.
I want to make a challenge out of that.
Go ahead.
Kevin, challenge if it comes past 35 minutes.
I'll refund you the order.
Did you hear that, guys?
Done.
35 minutes, the order is refunded. He's ordering already. All right, you know.
Special gift for you. I have less than 100 pieces left.
No
The
way.
history of Glatt A La Carte.
Where do you pick this up?
Come here.
Yeah, about kick Kevin. Whoa, with Glatt A La Carte logo on the back.
Halt the bottle a minute. And on the back, you have the story. 21 years.
Beautiful. It's a light inside?
Yes, it is. Custom made for us. And it's for you, Chaim. L'chaim, machen Kiddush Shabbos. You can still get it here.
This is amazing.